So when it comes to the AR, so it was implemented in a lot of e-com websites from Amazon to Lenskart to everybody they have. AR has a small scope in the e-com sector. So a lot of our students from the gaming industry background, they want to learn UX. Reason is they have to understand the user behavior, the gamer behavior, and accordingly they have to optimize flow of the game and other stuff. So there also it will be helpful. Wearable devices having the problem of it's a heavily loaded, and the Google glasses it's too much. It's kind of a minority report style. These are the major reasons where that wearable devices area is failure.
So should we learn AR VR design, or is it just a hype? Should we go forward with it?
So one word answer: AR, VR. It has a very features in terms of very limited features. It doesn't have the huge scope. See, every decade there is a new technology try to disrupt the market, and the technologies are moving towards to that. So every 10 years. So this is very, very vital. In the year 2000, 2005 and all .com. Then there is no .com. So everybody is relying on the conventional vertical web-based application. Digital transformation was happening. Then 2012 to 15 there is a mobile applications. Then wearable devices also entering into the market, but it's not that good. So except the watches. So Google they tried glasses in the year 2008 or 9 itself. It's not working. And currently Mark Zuckerberg also brought Meta. He's bringing in. And in between Apple was trying to do that. It's a failure. Yeah, Vision Pro is a completely failure.
Yeah.
Even Mark Zuckerberg in Meta, he was brought in 2014 or 16 itself Oculus.
Okay.
That is also again, that is the first version. Apple Vision Pro was a copied hybrid or ultra version of Oculus. But this wearable devices having the problem of it's a heavily loaded, and the Google glasses it's too much. It's kind of a minority report style. So these are the major reasons where that wearable devices area it's failure, where the VR is not evolving further. So VR still is there in entertainment sector, gaming sector. So in a shopping mall, if you are going there, where you can able to see that the people are sitting on the some
adventure kind of
a thing, and they are experiencing it. Or any gaming zones, there you can able to see that. So it doesn't have a different growth. Mark Zuckerberg tried to disrupt the market. Currently, again he is trying. So every 10 year. 2008 Google glasses, 2014 or 15 same Mark Zuckerberg, again 22 Vision Pro by Apple. Now again Ray-Ban, with the support of Ray-Ban, he started. So again and again the people they are doing it. They are seeing something, but still it's not coming up. When it comes to the AR was implemented on the e-commerce. But the thing is Lenskart and everything. But recently that Nano Banana and all, what happened, I can able to upload my photo, upload the frame or
it
dress.
Will generate the image and give
automatically it will generate. So when it comes to the AR, so it was implemented in a lot of e-com websites from Amazon to Lenskart to everybody they have. AR has a small scope in the e-com sector, and even education sector also the people they try to implement. Right, but the recent evolution of the AI, the Nano Banana and all, the people they can able to upload their photo and upload the clothing, and they can mix and match.
So they can like trial room kind of.
Yeah, trial room. So virtual trial room kind of a stuff is being implemented with the help of Nano Banana. So very soon, this e-commerce companies they all are going to integrate Nano Banana with their e-com. So AI are also having a limitations now, right? So that is what I'm saying. So in 5 to 6 years ago, AR VR was very everybody was talking into that. But suddenly AI came into the market and disturbed the market. But now AI also something like a .com bubble kind of a thing. AI bubble is going to be blasted. So reason is there is no revenue model on AI. So everybody was using the AI. So very smart people, the AI startups, they are sold their companies into the bigger organization, something like a Microsoft or Google, right? So very few only out there in the market. One is a Perplexity and the other one is a Claude. So remaining all are almost they winding up. So being a designer, AR, VR, yeah, if you are getting an opportunity to work those kind of a projects, that time you can learn. Nothing wrong on that. and immediately you can unlearn. So learn and unlearn. So that is one kind of a technology only. So it's not a purely for UX and UI design. Something like, how do you say, gaming industry. So they are also the people they are demanding for UX and UI designers.
Okay, why so?
So a lot of our students from the gaming industry background, they want to learn UX. Reason is they have to understand the user behavior, the gamer behavior, and accordingly they have to optimize flow of the game and other stuff. So there also it will be helpful. But being an UX and UI designer, do I learn gaming? Quite we can learn. Depends upon the project. We can learn the project, working on it, and we can quit. Even I learned actually for I was learning for one project almost somewhere around 4 to 5 years ago. The project was implementing the quiz programs, gamings. So learning with the more interactive manner. During that time, I was learning AR also. So they had implemented AR. So from KG to K12, that is basically K12, K12 education sector. They are completely disrupt the education system. So they want to launch on iPad kind of an application to the people, the students, and the student will be learning. So questions and everything. So there is a badging system, a gaming system. So before they are buying the program or tuition fees, they have to play for the free levels.
Okay.
And if they lost the level, paid levels also, they can again wait for some time. Again, they have to learn and then they have to play the quiz and they have to win. So by the time I was learning for gaming as well as AR.
So this was during the pandemic, huh?
Before pandemic,
Before
I was
itself, okay.
talking about in the period of 2018, 19.
Okay.
But the product was what you call, they were trying to target on the rural areas. But the challenge was internet connectivity.
Internet connectivity and the cost of the device also.
Cost of the devices. So that area I was recommend them, you try to launch on the metro cities, but somehow somewhat that founder has a very stringent vision of only for rural area, rural development. Finally it went bankrupt by 2 to 3 years down the line. But that is the thing. So that time I was learning for 3 months purely gaming, 3 months purely for side by side AR, one side gaming. So all put it together, learn, and what are the things needs to be implemented, integrated, right? So being a designer, we have one advantage. We can learn anything,
Yeah.
and we can dive into that. We can complete the project. Then we have to come out. That's it. So think about in that aspect, right?
So we need to learn if it's needed.
Yeah, we can learn. So the only bottom fundamental quality, we are learnable. So we are ready to learn. So once we are ready to learn, we can learn anything.